Good evening, I'm Swastika Panda from Odisha TV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Biju Janata Dal plans to oppose the controversial land acquisition bill in the monsoon session of Parliament this time. Coaching another row, suspended servitor Jai Krishna Das Mahapatra was seen climbing up Nandi Ghosh during Puri's year's visit to the chariot. Shri Mandir administration seeks report from police and hospital authorities regarding deaths in stampedes during Rath Yatra on Saturday. And Rath Yatra at Lord Baladev Jiu at Kendrapada attracts thousands of devotees in and around the district. BJD MP Baijayan Panda pulls rug. Now the details. The ruling BJD said yesterday that it would oppose the land acquisition bill proposed by the centre during the monsoon session of Parliament beginning from Tuesday. The party said it would also raise the issue of South Korean steel major POSCO, which has been asked to compete in the mine license auction to get an iron ore mine to feed its proposed Rs 52,000 crore steel project in Jagatsinghpur district. The BJD decision came after its parliamentary party meeting held at the residence of party chief Navin Patnaik here on Sunday to discuss the strategies on several issues during the coming session of Parliament. Party MP Bhartruhari Mehtab said, "We will retreat our demand for inclusion of landowners as stakeholders in the proposed project that would come up on their land. We will also seek an amendment to the land acquisition bill for inclusion of this demand." On POSCO issue, Mehtab accused the centre of not extending expected support to the project. He said the issue would be raised before the centre for a favourable nod as the state is open to more investment and industrialisation. Meanwhile, another BJD MP Baijayan Panda said the party would raise in Parliament the issues affecting the state. He said the centre's decision to slash funds on some schemes and abolish some others would be raised in the coming session. BJD has 27 parliamentarians including 20 in Lok Sabha.
POSCO प्रसंग निश्चित भाव में उठिबो से संक्रांति रे हमर नोटिस मध्य दिया जाइछि। संसद रे ओडिसा रो स्वार्थ परिपंथी केतेगुडी पदक्षेप जा केंद्र सरकार नउचंती ता विरुद्ध रे आमे जोरदार भाव में उपस्थापन करिवो निजर मत। व्यापम प्रसंग मध्य रहिछि ताको मध्य उठा जिवो किंतु एठी मो गोटिए कथा एठी कहबा पई स्पष्ट भाव में चाहूछि। वी आर नॉट जॉइनिंग द कोरस ऑफ कांग्रेस।
गोटे इंप्रेशन दिया जाइछि केंद्र रे जे राज्य को बेसी पैसा आसुछि बोली किंतु जदियो राष्ट्र को अधिक 5,800 कोटी पाखापाखि आसूची किंतु जो कटि जाऊँगी स्कीम गुड़िक से 8,000 कोटी पाखापाखि कटि जाऊँगी जो गैप 2,100 कोटी ठू ऊर्ध ताकू केमती मेकअप हो पारिबो एटा हला मुख्य आमर दाबी।
A team comprising Archaeological Survey of India officials and Professor A.P. Gupta, former head of Civil Engineering Department in IIT Kharagpur, visited the Garbhagriha or Sanctum Sanctorum of Shri Mandir in Puri to inspect its conservation-related issues. Sources said they were assisted by temple and state public works officials. During inspection, the 10-member team looked into the sources leading to rise in humidity and temperature of the Garbhagriha. Before Rath Yatra last year, the state government had expressed concern over tardy pace of conservation work being carried out at the temple by ASI. The then Chief Secretary had written to Union Culture Ministry seeking visit of technical experts for inspection of the shrine whether the problems of humidity and temperature have lingered on. Pointing out the review by the experts in January 2014 had focused on expediting the conservation of the Garbhagriha, Jagamohana, Nata Mandapa, Bhoga Mandapa and the subsidiary shrines, he had said the pace of progress and urgency to complete the work by ASI appeared to be sluggish. The Shri Mandir administration has sought reports from the police and hospital authorities regarding deaths, including a drowning case in Puri during Rath Yatra on Saturday. Chief Administrator Suresh Mahapatra said, on the basis of reports and verification of documents, insurance amount will be paid to the family members of the deceased. Notably, 2 women died during pulling of the chariots near Marichikota and Market Squares. The deceased were identified as Sushila Samantrai from Pottamunday and Nirmala Barala from Nayagad. Similarly, a man drowned in the sea while taking bath yesterday.
सकाळ पुरु संध्या राति पर्यंत पूरा फुल अलर्ट थिलु को पेशेंट केतबे आसीबो को वार्ड को पेशेंट शिफ्ट होबो विशेष करी माने इमरजेंसी पेशेंट व्यतीत आम सब पेशेंट को भी आम ठीक भाव में सावधानता सहित अवलम्बन करूँ। जड़े
नयागढ़ जिलार आ जड़े केन्द्रापड़ा जिलार निर्मला बराल जन ना जन ना हूँ सुशीला सामंतराय। अल्प कई जन अच्छा जो मैंने इंजुरी होता फ्रैक्चर किसी केस जो ट्रीटमेंट होती अल्प किसी अच्छा.
While the Rath Yatra in Puri attracted around 15 lakh devotees from across the world, the annual car festival of Lord Baladev Ji, the elder brother of Lord Jagannath, held in Kendrapada yesterday with much fanfare and religious fervour. Pulling of the chariot began at around 3 p.m. with thousands of devotees from Kendrapada and adjoining places thronging the temple to participate in the festival. According to reports, Kendrapada MP Baijent Panda and spiritual Guru Baba Balia were present at the auspicious occasion and pulled the chariot with other devotees. Panda said, "I feel blessed as I got an opportunity to pull the chariot. This is Tulasi Kshetra and the Rath Yatra of Lord Baladev Ji here has a distinct identity. As per the age-old tradition, Rath Yatra is performed here for 2 days. The chariot, known as Taladhwaja, reached at Mausi Ma temple at around 5 p.m. today. To make the festival a peaceful affair, the district administration had made elaborate security arrangements with beefing up security in and around the temple.
यह होची तुलसी क्षेत्र एवं तुलसी क्षेत्रर बलदेव जू मंदिर होची अत्यंत प्रभावशाली एवं आज आपण ठीक कथा कहले देखुचंती एठी लक्षाधिक लोक एकजुट होइचंती. यार गोटे स्पेशल अलगा ओकेजन सेति पय अलगा दिन रे मध्ये होए. मु निजको बहुत लकी भावुची जे मते चांस मिलिची आज आसिक रथ टाणीबा पय.
हमर बलदेव जी कर रथ यात्रा एठी प्रबल भिड़ हुए तेणु आमे देखिया आस्तिलु जगन्नाथकर वेश रथ उपर नुआ वेश होईची ताकू देखि निजो धन्य मन कलु.
The sojourn of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra in Gundicha temple in Puri will be held this evening after the deities will be taken to Odapa Mandap inside the Sanctum Sanctorum. The temple, which otherwise remains empty for the whole year except this 9-day festival, has been decked up for the occasion. After the Sandhya Dhupa ritual, the deities will be taken inside the temple in a ceremonial procession. A similar Pohandi Bijay ritual of the deities will be performed including Goti Pohandi, as was done when the deities were taken atop the chariots before the lords took up their journey on Saturday. Temple sources said some secret rituals will also be performed at the mandap, after which devotees will be allowed to have darshan of the lords. Mahaprasad will be available in the temple from tomorrow. Special arrangements have been made inside the temple for smooth darshan. Kicking up a fresh controversy, suspended Sri Mandir servitor Jai Krishna Das Mahapatra was seen climbing Nandi Ghosha chariot of Lord Jagannath during Rath Yatra on Saturday. During the visit of Govardhan Peeth Shankaracharya Swami Nishrananda Saraswati, Jai Krishna was also seen present on the chariot. However, Temple Chief Administrator Suresh Mahapatra sought to clarify that Jai Krishna only paid obeisance to the deities and did not perform any services. Displaying his clout, the suspended servitor stated that it is his basic right to pay respect to the deities and no one can stop him from doing so. Notably, the High Court has refused to provide any interim relief to Jai Krishna and his father Kashinath Das Mahapatra over their suspension from performing puja of the deities. Sri Mandir administration had placed the father-son duo under suspension on June 24th after holding them responsible for the lapses during Brahma Paribartan rituals on June 15-16th night. Seeking to quash the suspension order on grounds of illegality, the duo had approached the court in 2 separate petitions. 3 persons were killed in a road accident near Topaghat in Katinga in G. Udayagiri of Kandhamal yesterday evening. The deceased were identified as Kachappa Pradhan 20, Shashikant Pradhan 22 and Praveen Pradhan 20, all residents of Budedi Padar village. Source said the victims were going on a bike towards their village, which is when a tractor hit them. As the bike caught fire, the 3 youths were thrown away here and there. The tractor driver, however, fled the scene. Local police took the bikers to the local community health center, where the 3 youths were declared dead on arrival. The centre has sanctioned a plan for setting up 5 more Ekalavya model residential schools in the state this year at a cost of around ₹50 crore. Announcing this, Union Tribal Affairs Minister Jewel Oram yesterday said the state government would select the sites and arrange the required land for the proposed model schools. The schools are set up to provide quality middle and high-level education to scheduled tribe students in remote areas. The minister said the schools would help in imparting quality education to the tribal students and enable them to compete effectively for higher courses like medical and engineering. The state now has 13 such schools spread over 9 districts. While 3 schools are there in Sundargarh district, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Nabarangpur, Koraput, Rayagada, Gajapati, Kandhamal and Jajpur districts have 1 each. Oram was here to inaugurate a resource center on mother tongue based multilingual early childhood education developed by an NGO at Mondiapalli near here. Oram said his ministry has decided to modernize Bhubaneswar based Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Research and Training Institute. He said, "We want further development of the institute to conduct more study on the culture and language of different tribal communities of the state." Meanwhile, UNESCO has identified the institute's museum as a model interactive tribal museum. With a multitude of devotees witnessing the Rath Yatra in Puri, the newly constructed Maruti Patpur bus stand along the Bhubaneswar-Puri National Highway played a great role in controlling the traffic system here, as various buses had taken passengers from here to Baradanda. According to reports, around 133 tourist buses were plying on this 7-kilometer long road and helping passengers, especially those coming from other states, to see the mega festival. Out of 133 buses, the state government had brought 104 buses from other states to meet the huge rush. Apart from these buses, several auto rickshaws were also seen taking passengers from the bus stop and dropping them at Baradanda. The bus terminal, built on a 10-acre plot at an expenditure of Rs 70 crore, is the first in the state to have all modern facilities, according to Transport Department. Buses coming from different places of the state were not allowed to enter the holy city during the mega festival and were parked at the Maruti Patpur bus stand.
एजावत 133 बस विभिन्न राज्य एवं आम राज्य भितर आसते तो सुधा 38 बस चली गले माने डेस्टिनेशन को चली गले आउ 95 बस आम पाखे अच्छी
लगुच नुआ बस स्टाण्ड है सब बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन अच्छी सब प्रकार फैसिलिटी अच्छी ये स्टेट बैंक एटीएम अच्छी ता सहित शौचालय बहुत सुविधा अच्छी ये बहुत सेफ्टी लगुच बहुत भल लगुच.
Before wrapping up the headlines once again, Biju Janata Dal plans to oppose the controversial land acquisition bill in the monsoon session of Parliament this time. Coaching another row, suspended servitor Jai Krishna Das Mahapatra was seen climbing up Nandi Ghosh during Puri's year's visit to the chariot. Shri Mandir administration seeks report from police and hospital authorities regarding deaths in stampedes during Rath Yatra on Saturday. And Rath Yatra at Lord Baladev Jiu at Kendrapada attracts thousands of devotees in and around the district. BJD MP Baijayanth Pandya pulls trust. Thank you for watching. Good night.